Ever dream of working from anywhere, setting your hours and being your boss? Blogging makes this dream a reality. Turn your expertise, interests, or experiences into valuable content that resonates with an audience. Whether you're a tech-savvy wordsmith or a newbie, starting a blog is easier than you think. Numerous platforms offer user-friendly interfaces and resources to guide you. Think of your blog as your online real estate. It's a space to cultivate a community, establish yourself as an authority in your niche, and generate income. Ready to dive into the exciting world of blogging? Let's embark on this journey together. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to stay updated with our latest tips and guides.
Choosing your niche is like laying the foundation for a skyscraper. It needs to be strong and well-defined. Your niche is the specific topic or area your blog will focus on. This is not the time for vague ideas. Get specific. Are you a fitness fanatic who loves vegan cooking, a tech wizard passionate about cybersecurity, or a history buff who can't get enough of ancient Rome? Don't be afraid to drill down into sub-niches. For example, instead of travel, consider narrowing it down to sustainable solo travel for women or budget-friendly backpacking through Southeast Asia. Research is your best friend at this stage. Use keyword research tools to gauge the search volume and competition for keywords related to your niche. Starting with a clear focus will help you attract a targeted audience and establish your expertise from the get-go.
Content is king in the blogging world. It's the lifeblood that attracts readers, keeps them engaged, and keeps them coming back for more. But not just any content will do. You need high-quality, valuable, and relevant content that caters to your target audience's needs and interests. Think of yourself as a problem solver, a storyteller, and a guide. What questions does your audience have? What challenges do they face? What information can you provide that will entertain, educate, or inspire them? Experiment with different writing styles, from conversational and humorous to informative and persuasive. Don't be afraid to inject your personality into your writing. Be authentic, relatable, and engaging. After all, people connect with people, not robots.
SEO secrets, getting seen in the digital sea. Imagine creating the most fantastic blog post ever written, only to have it lost in the vast expanse of the internet. That's where SEO, or search engine optimization, comes in. It's the art and science of making your blog visible and discoverable by search engines like Google. SEO involves optimizing various elements of your blog, both on-page and off-page, to rank higher in search results for relevant keywords. On-page SEO involves optimizing your blog posts and pages with relevant keywords, writing compelling meta descriptions, optimizing images, and ensuring your website is mobile-friendly and loads quickly. Off-page SEO involves building backlinks to your website from other reputable sources, promoting your content on social media, and engaging with your audience online. SEO is an ongoing process that requires patience, consistency, and a willingness to adapt to the ever-changing algorithms of search engines. By ranking higher in search results, you'll drive more organic traffic to your blog, attract a wider audience, and ultimately increase your earning potential.
Turning passion into profit monetization methods. Now let's talk about turning your passion project into a profitable venture. Monetizing your blog is about finding ways to generate income from the traffic and audience you've built. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other companies' products or services on your blog and earning a commission on any sales made through your unique affiliate links.
Sponsored posts involve partnering with brands to create content that aligns with your blog's niche and audience. Display advertising involves placing ads on your blog and earning revenue based on impressions or clicks. Selling digital products like ebooks, online courses, workshops, or templates allows you to leverage your expertise and create valuable resources your audience can purchase directly from your blog. The key is to choose monetization methods that align with your blog's niche, audience, and values. Experiment with different methods and track your results to see what works best for you.
The long game, blogging for sustainable success. Blogging is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires dedication, hard work, and a long-term vision. Don't expect overnight success. Focus on building a sustainable business for the long haul. This means consistently creating high-quality content, engaging with your audience, building relationships with other bloggers and influencers, and constantly learning and adapting to the ever-changing online landscape. Treat your blog like a business from day one. Set realistic goals, track your progress, and analyze your results. Invest in your blog's growth by taking courses, attending conferences, and seeking mentorship from experienced bloggers. Most importantly, be patient and persistent. Building a successful blog takes time and effort. So what are you waiting for? Start your blogging journey today.